Hello, everybody. My name is Zane McGowan. I am in the dual program, the in-class, although lately that means by Zoom because of COVID, for the Masters in Education with the Human Sexuality program at Widener, and then the online social work, as like everyone else in this class. The type of agency I'm going to be at is kind of an umbrella agency for veterans healthcare. The kind of West Philly type area is where I'll be working at or interning at. What I hope to get out of the field experience is a really good, not just an overview, but specifically what's going on um, and how this placement operates, because that's where I look to be working after I'm done with my state job that I'm working now. The systems that they use are different, the way they take notes, appointments, things like that. Fortunately, because the way the system works, I don't have to worry about billing type information. There's different types of things that people that want to work in the private areas kind of have to worry about. How do I expect this to be different from, actually, I guess, as well as the field seminar? What do I expect to get out of that? Yeah, I guess I'll have fun seeing what the contracts are like this time versus the last ones. Contracts. How do I expect this field experience to be different from the first one? For one, the first placement I worked with foster kids, and I did not want to do that at all. It was kind of the other stuff had fallen through. I did that, and I'm kind of glad for the experience, but it's not something I want to do again. Whereas where I'm going now, as I just said, it's where I want to work after I'm done my current career. The floor I'm working on is an inpatient psychiatric floor, and a lot of that will have to do with making sure that these people are getting services that they need within their inpatient stay, and then once they're leaving that and going back out to the community. I enjoy looking forward to people's posts and catching up with some people, and talk to you later.